In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to make money online and specifically how I was able to make $499.25 in one day. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? My name is John McNeil, and if you're brand new to the channel and you're interested in making money from home and making money with affiliate marketing, make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now guys, in this video today, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to generate $499.25 in one day. I actually have it on my cell phone here. I'm going to see if you can see it. If you can't see it or if it's flipped around, I'll put it up on the screen for you guys. But $499.25 got deposited into my PayPal account today. And I want to explain to you how it happened exactly and how you can actually do these kind of things for yourself. So if I'm being absolutely truthful with you guys, when I received the notification from PayPal that I had a payment, I actually opened up that payment and I saw that it was $499.25. And I was kind of looking at the details of the PayPal payment. I saw it was affiliate commission, but I had no idea where the payment had came from. It took me a little while, actually, maybe about 30 or 40 minutes to actually figure out what I had sold. For a minute there, I thought it was a mistake and that I got paid a commission that wasn't owed to me. But after doing a little bit of research, I figured out what had happened, and I want to kind of show you guys in this video what did happen. So if you actually go to my screen, I'm going to show you guys something here. We're at my YouTube channel, right? And in my YouTube channel, typically I'll have a description and then I'll have some links under here. Now, this was a video that I actually posted just a few days ago. And if you look here in my description, I have just a few links. And none of these links go to the product that I got a commission from. But if you actually go to a video that I did about a year ago, so you can actually see this was probably a year or more ago, October 2018 is when this video posted. At that point, I had a description as well, and I had multiple links in my YouTube videos, right? So this was, a year ago that I had this description and I had all of these links in my videos. And you can see here, I had this one link that said 20K per month with Facebook. And if you click on that link, it actually goes to a product that Kevin David sells. It's a Facebook course, a Facebook advertising course. And I literally just got a commission today from this Facebook advertising course from a video that I did a year ago. Now, what's the point of this video? And why am I telling you that I made $499? That's not the point. The point is that the work that you do today will pay off in the long run. So you can be putting in work today and it may pay off 6 months from now. It may pay off a year from now. It may pay off 2 years from now. But the point is you have to start and you have to plant the seeds, because you never know when those seeds are going to bear fruit. Think about it, guys. This was a video that I did a year ago, that I had links in my video description a year ago, and I just made $500 today from it. So the point is you have to get started. And what does that mean? That means you have to start being diligent and actually working on your online business every single day. That means you have to start that blog. That means you have to start your Instagram. That means you have to start your Facebook fan page. That means you have to start your YouTube channel. That means you have to start creating your content. That means you have to start building your list and doing the things that you need to do. That means you have to start creating your sales funnel and driving traffic to those sales funnel and learning the skill sets that you need to learn in order to build your business, because the things that you do today, guys, will pay off for you in months and years to come. That's the point of this. Now, if you ask me, I'm always going to favor YouTube as a platform that anybody, whether you're brand spanking new or you're a seasoned vet, you should be implementing YouTube marketing in your business. Why is that? Because YouTube does multiple things for you in your business. Number one, it'll brand you. It's free traffic to your affiliate sites, your sales funnels. You can also promote your business opportunities. It's a great platform that you can do multiple different things just by creating some content. The problem is a lot of you guys, and I say this all the time on the YouTube channel, you don't want to create videos. You are afraid to get in front of camera for all of these reasons that no one cares about. All they want is the good content. But in this video today, I want to show you guys a solution that I think will help you out if you don't want to show your face on camera. And it's a pretty cool solution that I just actually got involved with, and I wanted to show you guys how it works. So right here on my screen is what we call a video software creation tool, I guess you would say, and it's called Content Samurai. A lot of you may have heard of this before. I had actually heard of it as well, but I never actually took a deeper look into it until recently and actually purchased it because it's so great. And I'm thinking about, creating another YouTube channel in different niches, and I want to use this as a platform to create content. So with Content Samurai, essentially you can create all sorts of videos, and it has like hundreds of thousands of actual video clips, and you can do so much with this software. And I'm just going to pop in the inside and just show you guys just literally a fragment of what this software can do. I'm not impressed by a lot of these softwares, but I can absolutely say that I'm definitely impressed by Content Samurai and some of the things that it can do. So let's go ahead and pop in here so you can actually kind of see what it looks like. So essentially with Content Samurai, it creates the videos for you. I mean, you can literally type in the scenes yourself, or you can give it a script, and I'll show you guys that here in a second, and it'll create the videos for you. It adds music, it has voiceover, so if you didn't even want to use your own voice, they have like automated voices that you can choose from. You can upload your own music, you can upload your own pictures. It has hundreds of thousands of pictures and videos. It is an amazing software that you can actually create YouTube videos with. So let me go ahead and show you guys just briefly what this can do. So essentially you would just start off when you get access to this with just picking a template. So I'm here in the back office of Content Samurai, and they have all of these different video templates that you can pick from. So if I wanted to see what this looks like, I can click on it and it shows you kind of like what the video would look like and the template that it brings in. So you can see it right here. So that's what you can do is in terms of just kind of like picking through the different templates. So say I wanted to pick this template here, and I say, okay, use this template. And then here, like I said, you can actually put in a video script. You can actually type it into the scenes, and I'll show you guys that in a second, or you can actually put in the actual video script. So what I've already done is I've actually just typed in a few sentences here, and it says, hi, John McNeil here. If you want to learn how to make money online, you're in the right place. First, you need a laptop and an internet connection. Secondly, you need a product to sell. Thirdly, you need a targeted audience. Lastly, you need a big bank account to put all those commissions in. Click the link below to get started. I just literally typed that in before I started this video. So now I have my script, right? So what Content Samurai does is it takes your script and creates the video for you. You guys understand what I'm saying? Like, it's going to take the script, this script here, and it creates the video for me. So when I click on scenes here to my left, the scenes will automatically be created for me, right? Now, I actually did this because I put my photo in because it had like a photo of another guy. So, I had to brand John McNeil, right? So I did put my photo in here, but the other stuff was already created for me. It actually created this video for me, and it pulled from my script, and it actually created this video. Now, what can you do? Like, for instance, if I didn't like this particular scene, so this is a guy who says, if you want to learn how to make money, and this guy's counting his money, right? If I didn't like that, I could click over here and where it says money, and I can pick up any other clip I want. They have tons of these clips, so I can pick this clip, right? So now the clip has changed. And it says, if you want to learn how to make money. And if I wanted to change this, I can type in here and just put an exclamation point. So now that's done. See how easy that is, guys? And now we can actually scroll down to some of the other scenes. And basically it takes, again, that script that you wrote and it actually comes up with its own video. And like I said, you can switch that out if you want to. You can change the copy in here if you want to, and it's all good and it's all done. So for instance, let me just try that again. If I wanted to switch, say where it says, secondly, you need a product to sell, I can click on product here and it'll come up with clips. So I can actually change that to, let's change it to this clip here. And so now this clip is going to be changed to this. And just say I like everything else, right? So now my video is done. And I literally did this in like 2 minutes. And then I can click over to voice. And so you can actually have just music only if you want to just have music only, or you can have a automated voice that will actually read the script for you. And so if you want that, you can actually click on here. They have like a US voices, a UK voices, or Australia voices. So say I want Oscar in the US to be my voice. You can also add music if you wanted to, or you can actually record your own voice and upload your voice track in here, and it will automatically sync your voice with the actual scenes in the video. It's ridiculous, guys. So then if I just want to preview it, you just click on preview here, and then it actually just kind of creates your video here in a second. And then it's going to give me the opportunity to add in some music. So I can pick any genre of music. So I can click on hip hop, and then I can click any type of music that I want. When you hover over the titles, it'll actually start playing the music a little bit. Yeah, baby. So I picked my music, and now I can actually render this video, and we're going to see what it actually looks like. All right, so I downloaded the video, and we're just gonna play it really quickly here. Let's go ahead and look at it.
Hi, John McNeil here. If you want to learn how to make money online, you're in the right place. First, you need a laptop and an internet connection. Secondly, you need a product to sell. Thirdly, you need a targeted audience to sell to. Lastly, you need a big bank account to hold all your commissions. Click the link below and get started today.
All right, guys, so that was it. You can see how easy it is to create videos. And like I said, I'm just showing you just a minuscule amount of what this software can actually do. It has a lot of training tutorials in there. So you can actually just start creating videos. And the reason why I wanted to show you guys this is because I didn't want it to be a barrier or a excuse of why you can't create videos. Videos is massive, guys. And as we go into the new year, video is going to be even bigger and bigger and bigger. And if you're not utilizing video marketing and videos in your business, you're definitely going to get left behind. I don't want you guys to get left behind. So I want you to start creating video. It's going to be highly important that you do. It's going to help you brand. It's going to help you get leads. It's going to help you get sales. It is extremely important. So whether you're doing a talking head video where you're actually on camera yourself, or you're creating videos like this with Content Samurai, get started creating video. You can see from this video that work that I did a year ago is still paying me. So that's the point. That's the point of passive income, right? This whole laptop lifestyle, making money as you sleep. That's what it is. You put in the work. You know, a long time ago, you put in the work once, and the stuff can pay off for you for months and years to come. So if you guys want to check out Content Samurai for yourself, I'll actually have a link in the description of this video. You can get a 7-day free trial just to check it out. Go in there, play with it. They don't ask for a credit card. So just go ahead and create your account, try it out for 7 days. If you like it, great, start creating videos. If you don't, you can cancel out and you won't be billed anything. So hope this video helped, guys. I hope that it can help in your video marketing efforts, but more so, I want you guys to understand that you have to get started, you have to get busy, and you can't give up, because the things that you do today will pay off for you in the future. So this is John for JohnMcNeil.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hit that like button if you did, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.